right, guys, as you've seen, we have went to the Slammedenuff car show. What's up, brother? How you doing? Bro, this is gas, bro. Tell me that's not gas, bro. Hi, guys. Tell me that's not gas. What's going on, YouTube? We pulling up to the car wash. We're back with another video. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, because this is going to be a banger. But anyways, we pulling up to the car wash now. We got all the bros here. We got my boy, Zach. Is recording. Ah! Bro, this is gas, bro. Tell me that's not gas, bro. Hi, guys. Tell me it's not gas. I'll let you finish washing. I'll let you finish washing. The exhaust went through the bumper. I got another one at home. What's up, Brody? Long time no see.
Good.
Got me a cameraman today. Got me a cameraman today.
I see. Y'all gonna wash it?
Nah, I'm out of wash right now.
Really? I washed it.
Yeah.
3 days ago.
It's the pollen, bro. That. Sis. What's that? What is up, YouTube? We are outside. As y'all see, we are at Slammedenuff, so we're just gonna show y'all around. And I got me a cameraman today, so hey, might be different. So this is the steering wheel that I want to go with. As y'all see, it's from the Nissan Maxima. This is actually clean. It's a QR though. So 2015 Nissan Altima compared to 2008. And it's got the QR in it. What's up, brother? How you doing?
Good, bro.
That's good. Whoa.
So yeah, this is made 862 after.
That's 2J swapped.
My bad.
Holy. That's crazy.
That's your SS?
Not hard, chat. Look at this thing, bro. This is gas. This is something that I would play like Southwest Florida kind of deal, bro. This is hard, bro. That's hard. That's crazy.
You're here for the
I don't think he can. I don't think he can see. He gonna crush your toes. Dang. Alright, I get on my nerves, bro.
Wow, they're still looking right.
Okay.
That's so funny, bro.
Some females? Oh no, it's one female.
Record me, record 6
Look at that! Look at the.
Can I get a picture?
Look at the Mazda 6. Are those HIDs?
You can't zoom in on it?
Are those HIDs? No. What are they? You don't know what bulb you have in the car?
They weren't when I got one.
Oh.
Looks like LED.
They look like LED or HIDs. They look good.
Are they the ones you hate, Zane?
I hate these shits.
You hate them?
Yes, bro.
That's what I
Is that your horn? What the? Like, you see how they're blue?
They ain't bad.
Well, until they go out.
Yeah. They go out quick.
Yes.
Bro, mine go out like 4 months.
HID?
What the fuck, yeah?
Yeah, mine's too, bro. Yeah. Yes, bro. I got the same ones, bro. I love them because they're cheap, but I hate them when they go out.
One will go out, and then you can hit the headlight, it'll come on.
Yes.
I'm like, this is ghetto.
Bro, that's a big intake, bro.
Is this K series?
Yeah, it's K. That's why it's so scary.
Bro, that's a big intake, bro.
It's a big motor.
Get the action of what's going on over here.
Mighty Mouse food.
Bro, that's a tiny intake, bro.
This is the wrong one.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Positive.
K&N.
That's why you don't hear whine. The supercharger ain't.
Yeah. Yeah, the combobulator.
The combobulator ain't combobulator. Bro, you know some people come in there. What did they ask for an alternator? What did they say?
What, like?
Dirty.
Alternator?
Oh, it's like a altimeter, something like that, bro. Like people up there, you
This shit's like $600
for just the
The Mighty Mouse, the little kid.
Mighty Mouse, bro. You know eBay's a place.
Dude. Yeah. Mishimoto. Fuck Mishimoto.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I got a Mishimoto.
Arf.
That's a bad. Hey, that's a bad right here.
What they gonna do?
Gonna take some more flicks.
That's so crazy, bro. Cut off out. Like, open it back up, bro. Must be nice. Woo! Bro, did you rev it from the steering wheel?
Please do not feed the forest drugs.
I don't know.
Settings on it.
There's a charger over there. He's gonna do the two-step. We're gonna get shot. I think that might be Najee.
Bro, what does that mean?
We're in Griffin.
Yeah, we are in
It's a
Griffin.
Charger.
Yeah, it's a Charger.
Bro, it's camming, bro. It's
Bro, this man just been cheesing the whole time, bro.
His chops too.
Hell yeah! Pop, 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 pop. It shoots little 22s.
What we doing?
That's crazy.
The cam's going crazy here. That low.
Bro, that car's actually like hella photogenic.
Yeah, look at the color on it.
It actually did?
Yeah.
It's sexy.
Bro, his quality is so hard, bro. And that's not even edited, bro.
That's crazy.
That's not even edited, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's real crazy.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I'll put you on the what?
Feet finder?
Feet Finder? Yeah. Yeah, Feet Finder's a great world.
Bro, we should like pull Zay's car up under there and get that opening soon and just go down into an edit of the wrap.
It's getting an ultra
That'd
wrap.
be hard. You know what I was thinking about doing? I'm gonna have it like at the shop we're going to. I'm gonna set the camera up right here. I'm gonna pull into the shop with the car white and then back out and the car's gonna be wrapped.
Yeah, that's gonna be tough.
That's a rich man.
That's gonna be hard, bro.
Back rows, we have
Yeah,
to go
that's
to the
crazy.
driveway.
Not with no wrap. That'll pick up so much dirt and dust under that wrap.
I know you do your oil changes on the lifts.
I don't actually. I do my oil change on the floor.
Bro, what's crazy is
Me too.
In a apartment complex. All right, guys, as you've seen, we have went to the Slammedenuff car show. and guys, okay, we went to Slammedenuff. You see, you got the guys in the back.
We all make 6SPEED.
Yeah!
Boy, he's famous.
Anyways, we're gonna be, well, make sure to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on the Instagram side at 6SPEED. We are wrapping this car, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe, follow, like, comment, whatever you need to do.
Is that 6SPEED?
Yeah, it says 6SPEED. And we on to the next.